Yeah, I've got this car jump starter here from Acmount. These guys sent me to demo. Let's check it all out. Looks like it comes with, says it's got a large starting current, ultra bright LED light, smart clips. It's made of fireproof material. Ooh, that comes with a nice case too. Has a hanger on it as well, or a handle and hanger. It's got a little compass on it too. That must be the light there. And here's the cables. Well, there's everything that comes in the box. It's got the cables. It's got a USB charger as well. A little handheld unit. And storage here too. All right, let's test this thing out. That's nice. You can charge a couple of phones on there too. So there's two USB outlets, and then that's where we plug the one in to charge it up. Oh, that's very nice. So it's telling me that it's at 84%. And then as far as plugging the cables into it, they go right in here. So this piece here just goes right in there. As far as the weight goes too, really lightweight. All right, here's the main function of this thing. That's to get your battery going. So you plug this into there. You can see it's going by the light. Red goes on the positive. If you don't know which one of these is positive, make sure you know before you hook it up. And you can see it should say it right on your battery. A lot of times the cable will be red, so red will go with red. But as you can see, these are both black. You're going to want to look on your battery terminal. You can see that positive right there. That's all you need to know. You know the other one's negative. So hook it on there and hook that one up there. Got a solid green light there. But let's just say this battery was dead. This is the point where you go fire it up. You go start your truck up, and that'll get this baby going. So I'll kind of demonstrate on a mower battery as well. All right, I think I'm gonna get the most use out of this too for lawn equipment. So here's a lawnmower battery. Red goes on the positive. There's the positive there. And then black will go on the negative. And this battery's out, but if it was hooked up, now you'd go ahead and start up your mower or whatever lawn equipment you have. This thing will help it out. It's ready to go. It's a nice unit. All right, there's that LED flashlight. That's nice. And that comes on and off just by holding this button down. Look at that, it's reading the percentage, what's left too. So that's off. And I'll hold it on, just take that and hold it down. That's real nice. Another real nice use for this is using it for your phone. That, I'll be able to plug a couple of phones in there. If you get stranded, run out of juice, there it is. Okay, I haven't put a positive on there, just in case. But here's the thing, here's the cool thing about this. I didn't even need to do that. Look, it's right there. The negative is right there. And right back in the case for easy storage. Put this back in here. All right, you can see this thing's, I got it charging up just in the USB there. It's coming back up. So I'm gonna get to 100% and then put it in storage, ready for use. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. This is a real nice unit.